Hi viewers, this is Purnima Sendil Kumar. Welcome to Cooking My Passion English. Today I am going to show you how to prepare mutton keema paratha. To prepare this keema paratha, I took 200 to 300 grams of mutton pieces without bone and chopped using a knife like this. You can also grind this mutton in a mixie jar to get minced meat. Minced meat is ready now. Let us check other ingredients for preparing this keema paratha. Transfer it to your bowl. 2 green chilli finely chopped. 1 tablespoon of ginger, 1 tablespoon of garlic finely chopped. 2 onion finely chopped. Fresh mint leaves, curry leaves, coriander leaves and 2 eggs. Other spices which I have taken is turmeric powder half teaspoon, red chilli powder half teaspoon, garam masala half teaspoon, pepper powder half teaspoon. Let us quickly start the cooking process. In a pan, add 2 teaspoon oil. Add green chilli, ginger and garlic. Saute well till the raw smell goes off completely. To this I am adding fresh curry leaves and finely chopped onion to this and saute till the onions are nice, transparent and light brown color. Season it with some salt and you can start adding all the spices. Adding half teaspoon of turmeric powder, half teaspoon of pepper powder. Mix well. To this I am adding half teaspoon of garam masala and half teaspoon of chilli powder. Please make note, we have already added green chilli to this and also we are adding pepper and chilli powder, so manage the spice level accordingly. After 2 minutes I am adding the minced meat to this masala. Mix well till the meat is well combined with the masala. After sauteing the meat for 2 minutes, you can add required water for the meat to cook. I have added almost 1 glass of water. After adding water, I have cooked the meat for almost half an hour in low flame. Cover with a lid and cook. You can also pressure cook the masala for 3 whistles. Check whether the keema is cooked well after half an hour. If not, you can also add little water and cook it for few more minutes. I have added coriander leaves and mint leaves. Cover and cook till it is nice, tender and soft. Our minced meat gravy is ready now. You can check whether the meat is cooked well and switch off the stove. Once the keema masala is ready, keep aside. In a bowl, I am adding 2 eggs. After adding the 2 eggs, I am going to add the mixture of the keema to this egg and mix well. Now the egg mixture is ready. This is one way of doing keema paratha. You can also directly add the keema masala while rolling out the paratha and cook well. I have used wheat flour to knead the dough. I am taking a medium sized ball and rolling out thinly. After rolling out thinly, I am going to add a teaspoon of oil to this and spread it out evenly and dust some flour. Close the one side And the other side also you have to add a teaspoon of oil, spread evenly and dust some flour to it and fold to a triangle shape, and you can normally roll it out the paratha. We are adding this oil and dusting the flour in order to get the layers inside the paratha. Roll it out gently and transfer to a plate. Let me show you one more. First, dust the flour and roll it out to thin, adding a teaspoon of oil and spreading evenly. Dusting some flour. This gives nice layer to the paratha. Fold from one edge. Again add a teaspoon of oil and dust some flour and fold the edges. You will get a triangle shape. You can also make a square shape with it. Now rolling it gently, no need to roll it out very thin. Preheat a tawa and add the rolled out paratha to it and cook flame. After the paratha is nicely cooked, you will get a layer inside. As we added oil and dusted flour inside, you will nicely get a puffed up paratha, and also the edges will be easily visible to pull out. Make sure the edges are nicely cooked, then only you will get the layers inside. After the paratha is nicely cooked, you can able to see the visible layers in the edges. You can just remove it with a ladle. So it is like a pocket inside. You can add the mixture into a bowl or a ladle and add it to the paratha inside and gently spread it evenly. Keep in very low flame, add oil and cook the paratha. You will get well practiced after doing 1 or 2 parathas. Add oil and cook the both sides evenly in a low flame so that the egg is cooked well inside. As the keema is already cooked, we need to cook only the egg. After cooking it for 2 minutes, you can transfer it to a plate and serve hot. This is one way of doing keema paratha. You can also directly stuff the keema while rolling out the paratha. Spicy and tasty keema paratha is ready. You can serve hot with raita, onions. Let me show you the way of preparing one more paratha. While rolling out the parathas, make sure that you dust some flour inside and also apply oil evenly. Then only you will get the layers while cooking. You can gently add the mixture with a ladle inside and spread it out evenly with the ladle. As we have added egg mixture along with the keema gravy, it gets nicely stuffed inside the paratha so that it forms a nice layer. Once you have cooked it for 2 to 3 minutes, transfer it to a plate. You will get a nice brown color on the surface of the paratha. Serve when it is still hot. You don't need any side dish for this paratha as we have stuffed the egg mixture and the keema gravy inside. You can also serve it with raita or onions. It goes well with tomato sauce too. If you like this video, like, share and subscribe for my channel. Thanks for watching this video.